Alright, so how we can enhance the sound. For example, here I feel too much tension on the first string, this Savares here, which is strong from the one wall as the second is. It doesn't have this thing or the traditional one. And now look, here I feel too much tension because it has very high angle here. You see the angle it has, and on purpose this first string has less angle than the second one. This is another answer for the magazine about this thing of how to harness this 12-wall bridge and the proper level for the first string, because this string here and this one, look how the angle of the first is less this angle here than this angle here. Right? This is on purpose because otherwise the first string will be unbalanced in any brand of strings completely, and well, depending if the guitar is not great or perfectly settled the top and everything, it will create this tension funny thing on the first string. Therefore here this is one aspect that affects the guitar because of the action, and in fact if the wall keeps coming up then it has even less tension, but this is the proper range, and sometimes it is even also depending on personal taste, but this is one thing. And now if I feel too much tension, like here I don't like this anymore, I already used it, this first and second Savares nylon wounded. This one was the one, well, we explained before, I don't have here the package, but I will replace this for the first string of the Leonida practice set, right? The one that comes along with the third we talk about, this kind of third, which is pretty much very similar to the fourth string. It's a very special string, but these two I don't like anymore, I will not use it. Okay, I can replace them, and I will tell you another tip, because it was a specific question also, how we can change the tensions of the strings and how we feel the guitar, the tension of the strings, by having different options on the 12-wall bridge, on this bridge that has 12 walls. Well, let me tell you how. This is a Knobloch Activities double silver, Actives double silver string, medium tension, the second string. But this one here, we talk this, you can search it about the strings and all that in other videos specifically. But this string is great for my test. This one is identified a lot with this, and the second, beyond the usual nylon trebles, plain trebles, right? To rectify nylon, both things, same. But this carbon has one problem: is thinner the string than the nylon one, and also it has more tension. Although this one is different from the Savares or other brands that may also carbon and have different measurements again with the numbers of the. This one is really mid tension, while the Savares one, every string has different measurements. There is not a standard really thing, and it depends on the guitar too. But here I can tell you, this string I want to replace it for this second of the Savares nylon wound, and I will put this one, and I will put this one, which is also middle tension, and I want to make this become low tension, and I can do also that by having them strung in the normal way, you know, not directly from the wall, like in this case. You will see how this is very easy procedure, and in this way you can become high tension string will become low tension one. So here we take out this string here, and you will see how easy it is. Because this happens a lot, that sometimes the best string of one set maybe has a different tension on that guitar, and therefore it's not a good idea to have only one choice of how to put the strings on the bridge, right? So these two, now I use this for 3 days, I will not use it anymore. So we take them away. This and this as well. Let's cut this back here. And then, now here we are. Okay, these strings, I don't want them anymore. Then what I will do is I will use this carbon thing, the knob on the second one, well, only on the second. And because, check how thin it is. It's an excellent strings. And this one you don't need to change much, like maybe for 3 months or more will work. So what I will do is that I will strong this one from the, as if it has only one hole here. Right. So I do that, and now I will make the note just normal, as if this string were just the old way, this way, right? So I'll show you what will happen now. Okay, we put the string on. And in this way we can balance strings that have tensions which are not very good for the particular set of strings that you are using. So here we have fantastic. And here we have the third of the Leonida silver wounded and the second of the no block. One more combination. And look, the most important thing is that now, of course, I will cut this small part and leave just 1.5 centimeters, or 1 centimeter actually. What happened here is that, look how much of the angle I cut in relation to the other strings. With the basses you can do the comparison here. This is much less angle. Of course, this cuts here the vibration, the knot, and therefore I prefer the 12 bridge instead, because this one here, this kind of traditional way to strong the string is not very good for me. My personal test is this, but this thing, the stuff here is that we alter the, actually this string was middle tension carbon, means kind of high tension, and now it became as a normal tension one. So we went down, we lowered its tension, and now we will do the same thing with the Leonida of the practice set. First string, this one supposedly is also mid-tension, but if it is mid-tension, this one is not good for this guitar specifically. I would like more to have a first string of low tension on this particular guitar, and therefore that's why I took out the Savares one that has nylon wound. So now I will put this one here, and this is very easy, same way. And then I got 2 strings strong in the traditional way, and therefore I lessen its tension a lot. Ponerlo solo en uno, only one of these things. So I do just 3 turns. I would do 1, 2, and 3, and then that's all. And then let me show you how it will become this thing. This is a very nice question what you just asked about how to harness this bridge, because this is interesting and you can get many colors and your sound out of it. I don't like to sound always same, you know. This is one thing. Then I will cut this thing here and leave just 1 centimeter out, like this. So let's see. Now we have here the outcome of this kind of thing. This is the traditional way to strung, first and second, and this is directly with the vibration direct from the bridge. This is called bridge because it transmits the vibration from the string to the top, and therefore this one fulfills better that expectation there. And then this one, look how nice became here, this thing, because I make them become low tension. This one became real mid, and this one became mid because it was of fret tension that I want to lower by lowering the angle it has from the knot in the case of the first and second strings, as compared to the ones that goes directly from the bridge. Okay, so that's it, and thank you very much for placing such interesting questions.